Hi guys, how are you? It's Tab. That's my new sign, my new YouTube channel sign. Hashtag. It's like a hashtag, but this is a new video. And I just wanted to do a slime review. So let's get started because I'm not gonna start with my other YouTubers have really long introduction. So let's get to this. So here I just have a yellow slime. Just normal fluffy. I think it's fluffy. Yeah. Is it? No. It's just normal slime. It's made with uh what's it called? Iconic solution glue, and that's it. So and paint, and then let me just show you some satisfying stuff. And this one just like that one. No, that one's actually jiggly, so let me show you that one. And by the way, all these containers come from the Dallas cell. Except this one. This one is from a Chinese food, like little, I don't know, something. But I remember from Chinese food the other day, so. This is jiggly slime. It is the same slime, but it's just in hot water. And so it's jiggly. So, and so it does have that little clicking sound. Oh, put it back in the container. That one. Okay, so the next slime is, this big blue slime. This is also from the container from the dollar store. Okay, don't think this is a whole big slime that comes up to the top. We just look at this. It's just air. Oh my god. There's big bubbles. As you can see, it's just air. I don't know why it's like that. Maybe it's because I left it upside down. So maybe it's just I don't know. But something happened to it. And it's all like this every time that I play with it. So it's just pretty cool. You won't imagine how many things this went through. It's not even funny. Well, kind of is because my little cousin kind of dropped it. So. It's been everywhere. It's been to Cape May with me. It went to Florida with me. It's been everywhere. So that's that slime. Okay, not this slime though. This slime is just amazing. So as you can see, it's a glitter slime, and I just put these random little beads in it. I don't know where I think it was from a bracelet set or something that my aunt got me. By the way, I hate bracelets. I just hate them so bad. I don't even use them. It's not even funny. I don't know how much I haven't used, how long I haven't used a bracelet thing or something with bracelets. I really like that slime, but whatever. So here we have this slime. Then it's very tiny, but it's very are you serious? I fixed it right before I started this video, and it's already off. But it's supposed to be clear with clear glue with detergent. And it's not very satisfying because it's little, but it's still pretty. So we'll just stick that one away. Oh my god, do I make sense at all? Comment down below if that makes sense, because I don't know, something's wrong with me. We just have this slime. Oh no, I'm not supposed to show you this yet, because this goes through some other slime, so forget you never saw it. Oh, this slime though. This slime has gone this slime has gone way, oh. Okay, never mind. I'm not even gonna speak. Just look at this. Oh, and by the way, sorry for the background noise. It's just I'm downstairs in my playroom, and my parents have their own TV here, so they're watching TV. and guys, comment down below if you want me to start doing slime tutorials. Because I was only thinking about doing like gymnastics tutorials, but now I'm thinking about doing slime tutorials. So comment down below if you want me to make some slime tutorials. Now we just have this plain, fluffy purple slime. So it's just plain, satisfying, and I love it. Let me just show you some satisfying stuff. I love when it first though. Okay, now we have this slushy slime, which I'm not even going to take out because like all the beads would fall out. So, satisfying this from the container. Yay! Oh, and guys, comment down below if you love the second verse by Jake Paul. I thought the end when he kissed Alyssa Violet was just, I don't know, speechless. It left me speechless. Okay, so this we have this one, which is a purple foil. This was the one that had the little container that I wasn't supposed to show you because we weren't up to this one yet. So this is it. And then that one, I added hot water. Like, it's separated, so then the part that didn't have any beads in it, I added hot water to make it more sticky. So that means the beads weren't going to start to fall out. But this is how it used to be. It used to be like all the beads would be like that. So that's, I just took a little piece of what it used to be. So I just wanted to compare it to how it is now once I put in the hot water. So if that ever happens to you, do that. So here's another slime. It's just blue foam, exactly what I did for that one. So the beads won't fall out, and the beads just fell out. So that's it. So now we have, oh my god, chewed up bubblegum slime. Oh my god, I love this so bad. Okay. Stick to the tabletop. Okay, this is not, it feels like slimy rubber. Like, it's not even sticky. Look, not even sticky. But yes, just look at this. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm just speechless. Let me just show you the satisfyingness. Whoopa. So we have that. Now whoop, just put it back in the container. So now the last but not least slime is this blue butter slime. Let me show you the butter effect. I'll be right back. We'll count to 5 seconds. Oh, knife. So this is what I do to show you it's better. So first of all, you can do this. Just like that, and then I can also do this. It's a little hard, I don't know why. So I just love this one so bad. It's probably, I don't know, I don't even know how to explain it. That almost had me. Let's put this back. Okay, guess that won't work. So, these are all my slimes. Oh my god, I almost forgot these 2 yellow ones. And yeah, oh, and this container I got at Michael's, it cost 99 cents, and yeah, so, give me 1 second. So, yeah, this was my whole slime review, and yeah, comment down below which one was your favorite slime, and, let me set it on the channel. Yeah, so, and yeah, let me not show you that angle, so yeah, stay savage, and yeah, stay savage.